Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 Dodge Durango RT. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in white knuckle, it looks great. You do have that very awesome hood on it as well. You do have the Dodge badging up front there with your HID headlights there. They are projector style, they look fantastic. Now coming around the side here, we do have 20-inch rims with our Bridgestone brand tires. Lots of tread left on them, and the rims look very nice as well. You got those heated exterior mirrors right there with the turning signals on them, and coming all the way around to the back here, we got this RT badging. We do have our park sensors along the bottom and our backup camera there. Now we can open it up just like this. It is an automatic open, looks great. Very soft back here as well, lots of room. You can lift this up. We got some additional storage under there. You can also fold these forward just by pulling that and pushing them forward. Then you got even more room if you didn't need the people back there. Then you do have some additional storage right there. You can pull this back up with this guy, just like that. And then you do have this button right here to close it back up, just like that. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock. You got 2 press to open up the back, and 2 presses to activate your remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for you, or in the summer, get it nice and cool for you. Now it does also have proximity keyless entry, so if it is locked, you just gotta put your hand in there and it will unlock for you. Plus you got the button there if you did want to use that. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. You do also have a bit of chrome accenting on the handle. Handle here, very soft place to put your arm, and some storage and a cup holder, or water bottle holder, sorry, down there with your seat memory. Looks great in here. It is leather as well, feels great. It has the thread trim on it. It's very comfortable. You do have your seat controls down here, so your lumbar support as well as the tilt and move there. Over here we have our controls over lights, so our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams as well. As if you press it in, you got your fog lights and your in-cabin light control right there. Right up here we do have the controls over the turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers. Keys are in the cup holder. All we gotta do is put our foot in the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. In the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Now, in the center, it tells us how many kilometers we have. 28,000, not too bad at all. It also tells us our liter per 100 kilometers, our gear, and then on the side there, it tells us our speed. We also got our vehicle info there. We got our fuel economy, trip A. We got our audio, messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer. Now that is controlled from your steering wheel right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. You got your gear shifts right here. They feel great if you wanted to put into manual mode. Over in the center here, we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect. So we got our AM, our FM, and our Sirius XM in there, as well as we got our climate control. So it is a dual climate system for you and your passenger. You got your media tabs if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, Bluetooth, or any of those guys. Then you also have your Uconnect apps here. There's tons in there, so you should look around and test them out. You also got your controls over heated and vented seats, heated steering wheel, backup camera, and the headrest fold. You got your navigation here. If you hit view map, you can see that we are in the right place. Then you also have your phone options right there if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. Down here, we do have the controls over our volume, up and down, mute. You got your hazard lights, screen off, and your browser there. AC, circulation, heat up and down, power off, auto. Then you got your your defrosts there. You also have your park assist, eco mode, sport mode, and your traction control there. Down here we also have a plug-in as well as 2 USB plug-ins and an aux cord. Then you got your gear shift right here, just like that. When you are in reverse, you got the ever useful backup camera. Looks great. You got some cup holders here. You also have your low range as well as your all-wheel drive. Then you got top layer glove box there as well as your bottom layer. Lots of room in there. Then over here we have a locking glove box with your owner's manual inside of it. Looks fantastic. Up top here we do have our universal garage door opener right here, and the controls over our sunroof as well as the lights, and you got a little sunglass holder there. And there is our sunroof. It looks great, lets in lots of light. Let's take a look in the back here, open this guy up. On the door here you do have that same chrome accenting right here. You got the controls over your windows, handle here, and some storage just down here. Looks great in here, back here as well. Same material as the front. The leather feels fantastic. You can fold this down. You got an armrest. It does seat 7 people all together, and you do have the controls over the climate back here, as well as down here you got seat warmers and some USB plug-ins. You can also fold this forward like that to get back there. Looks great back there. They got some cup holders and all sorts of stuff. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video. The 2018 Dodge Durango RT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.